2025. Wait, let me do my thumbnail. Yeah, that's gonna be my thumbnail. Happy New Year. I just had to pass through and see Happy New Year and dine with you guys this 2025. Our motto for 2025 is keeping the faith, positivity, any negativity to the other side. You know, we're staying in just faith and positivity and manifesting all our thoughts. So our thoughts are gonna have to be positive, or you're gonna, you know, make them come to life. So I thought I'd dine with you guys. I'll show you my plate. If you don't know, I'm with VBCI and we are doing this whole fasting thing. So I'm breaking my fast. So if my plate looks huge, I big, not normal, yeah. But I don't want to talk about the negatives entering this 2025 year. As I said, it's all going to be positivity. But if there's anything that I've learned from just moving from 2024 into 2025, is underestimating the power of talking to someone or talking about your problem, or just talking to someone. I've always been the type of person where I'm just like, I can solve this by myself. I'm going to find a solution. Keep your dirty linen in your closet or whatever it's called. And I've always like lived my life like that. But one thing in my last month of 2024 that I did was actually talk about things that were weighing me down, or things that were heavy. And I completely underestimated the power of like actually talking to someone about stuff like that, because once I did, the burden was off. The forgiveness that you feel like, oh, I'm never going to forgive, you know, you start like, it's off. The heaviness is off. You feel light. So, you know, forgiveness starts to come into play. But then again, be careful or vigilant about the person that you're talking to. If it's a therapist or your pastor or everything. And it makes so much sense to me now why I'm not a Catholic, but why the Catholics do the whole confession thing. And I wish all churches could do this confession thing, because it's miraculous. Even if you've like done something bad and then you're able to talk about it, you somehow just feel like, okay, it's gone, or I don't know how to explain it, but you feel light. But you have to be careful about the people that you talk to as well, because some might just use it against you, or you know, judge you with it and stuff. So be mindful. If you're a Christian, make sure this person is in the Christian institution. If you don't trust anybody, just go to a therapist. They are legally obliged to protect your protect your stuff, you know. So yeah, that's one thing I underestimated about talking to people that I did from 2024, and just made me feel afresh and new, and just had the whole new beginnings kind of thing entering into 2025. So if you're in 2025 and you feel like it doesn't feel new, it still feels old, it's just another day, I would advise that if there's anything that's happened, you know, in the past years or in 2024 that, you know, you even feel like, oh, you've let go, just find someone, a therapist or someone, a pastor or someone you trust. But be careful, someone you trust, and just have that talk about it. And you see how much lighter and a new and a fresh you'd feel about you know, like this new beginning. And we are still in January, so it's still new, so it's not too late if you're feeling just bad, or you know, same old kind of thing and stuff, because it's not same old. If you ask me, it's not same old, not based on how I'm feeling, it's not same old. So yeah, you should definitely do that. I think another thing, I'm starving. um I'm going to show my dish, but I do have some salad. I have some scrambled eggs. I have pear, and then I have some fried or spicy chicken. Oh my gosh, so good. Well, your 2025 be blessed. The way same way you're supporting me, you're being around, and you've just been there for me. May God align people in your life this 2025 that are going to be there for you. The same way you're here watching me, when you start your YouTube channel, or if you have your YouTube channel, may God be there to put people like you are right here. watching and supporting to you too as well. By the end of 2025, we are going to come back. We are going to talk about everything that God has done to bless us this 2025, because I am telling you, it is going to be amazing. It is going by fire, by hook or crook, by fire, by force. It is going to be amazing. So at the end of 2024, we are going to sit down and do a recap of our 2024, of our 2025, sorry, and just talk about it, because so we can, you know, brag about God, you know. Yeah, so that's gonna happen. And I think I'll actually do it live so we can just all actually talk about how our 2025 has been. But yeah. And the second thing too I realized is sometimes you have a problem and there's a solution, but because the solution seems so tough and so scary, or the solution wasn't part of your plans, you don't take upon that task. And I found myself doing this for a year. There was something that I was supposed to do, and I just held on to it for a year because it seemed new or scary, you know, etc. And I'm just like, I'm just like, I ain't doing that. That was never part of my life, you know, journey or life plan. So I'm not doing it. And within the latter part of 2024, I just actually I had no choice at this point. It just sat there. That's the thing. The problem just sits there. It's not going anywhere. It's not getting better. It's not, maybe it might get worse, but it's not going anywhere. So why don't you just, you know, I got to the point where you're just okay, so exhausted and tired about the problem that now you have to, I'm just like, okay, I'm taking upon the solution. And just like that, you start, I haven't even done the task that I'm supposed to do, but just in the process of fulfilling that task, there's just been so much relief already. It's like, why did I sit there for a year for this to just to sit in discomfort? Doesn't, blows my mind. Blows my mind. So if I'm just saying this too for anyone that's in 2025, it's still a fresh year. If you're going through a problem and you know what the solution is, and you've, you know, done all your calculations and etc and stuff, don't wait too long. Don't wait a year. Don't wait a year like I waited. Don't dwell on it or just sit in it. Do something. And sometimes we 100 know the solution, but we just don't do it. We keep stalling just because it's not new or it's going to be difficult or uncomfortable, so we just keep stalling. So just go ahead and do it. And first of all, pray about it. Pray about everything that you're doing, and then do it. And then there'll just be so much relief. That's one thing that I've just realized entering into 2025. That's just giving me this whole new new year, new me kind of vibe, you know. Yeah, but these are just the two things I wanted to share with you guys on today's video. But especially I wanted to wish you a good 2025. May your 2025 be blessed. May you be favored in this year. May everything that's good that's supposed to come to you be fulfilled in this year. May it not wait. May it happen this year. The same way you're supporting me in your business, in any industry, in any project that you take upon, may people support you in the same manner. May people be by your side in the same manner. May people love you in the same manner. May people be there for you in the same manner. Everything that you set your hands on, that is good and is with God's will. May it multiply and may it be fruitful this 2025. But if you're watching me right now, I want to say thank you for all your support. And I'm going to also obviously improve on myself and everything in this YouTube channel and just try to do better. But happy new year. Have a great 2025. We are here together, and I have one video I haven't edited from last year, which is about a bowling. But and besides that, it's going to be fresh content, and I'm excited about that. I'm excited. There's so many updates, but pray for me, to keep me in your prayers. I'll to keep every viewer and every supporter to in my prayers as well. Okay, love you guys so much. It is true. So